So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on F on your keyboard. You now want to find function discovery provider host. Double click on it. Make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. Repeat this for the one under it. Function discovery resource publication. Double click on it. Startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on S on your keyboard. And you now want to find SSDP discovery. Double click on it. And then do the same thing. Startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. And now for the last one, you're going to click on U on your keyboard. You're going to find UPnP device host. Double click on it. Do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, whether you're using a private network or public network, make sure you have network discovery turned on and you have set up network connected devices automatically selected, and you're going to turn on file and printer sharing, depending on the network that you're trying to use, so private or public. And now you're going to expand all networks. Make sure you have file sharing connections turned on to 128-bit encryption. And it's up to you what you want to do with public folder sharing and password protected sharing. It's up to you. And then this should now fix your problem.